Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to multiply mixed numbers. Now last week you remember we learned how to multiply proper fractions. When we're multiplying mixed numbers, there's just a couple of extra steps that we have to do, but they're fairly simple, and by the end of this video you'll be multiplying mixed numbers like superstars. So let's get started. When we're multiplying mixed numbers, there's 3 steps that we have to follow. The first step is we need to convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions, and as you remember we did that last year. The second step we have to do is multiply the improper fractions just as you would a proper fraction. The third step we have to do is convert the improper fractions back into mixed numerals, and we did that last year as well, but we'll go through it quickly on this video. Okay, so let's do an example together and then I'll give you 2 to have a go at. Okay, so here's our problem. We've got 3 2/3 times 2 1/2. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is convert our mixed numbers into improper fractions. And we do that by multiplying the whole number by the denominator, so 3 times 3, and then we add the numerator, plus 2. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So 11 becomes our new numerator, and 3, the denominator, stays the same. Do the same for the next one, times 2 times 2 equals 4, plus 1 is 5. So we have 5 over 2 because our denominator stays the same. Okay, so then we have 11 over 3 times 5 over 2. We just multiply them as normal. 11 times 5 is 55. 3 times 2 is 6. So our improper fraction is 55 over 6. So now what we need to do is convert this improper fraction into a mixed numeral, and we do that by dividing the numerator by the denominator. So 55 divided by 6. 6 into 55, if I do my 6 times tables, 6 times 9 is 54. So 6 goes into 55 9 times, remainder 1. 9, our whole number, becomes our whole number. The remainder of 1 becomes our new numerator, and our denominator of 6 stays the same. And that's how you do it. Okay, here are 2 problems that I want you to have a go at. When I say so, I want you to pause the video, have a go at these 2 problems, talk to a partner about how you solve these 2 problems, then press play and we'll solve the problems together. Okay, so pause the video now. Okay guys, so here's the first problem. Let's solve this together. So we've got 1 1/2 times 2 1/5. Okay, so we convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So 1 times 2 plus 1 is 3. That's our new numerator. And 2, our denominator stays the same. Times 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. 11 is our new numerator, and our denominator of 5 stays the same. So our new improper fractions are 3 over 2 times 11 over 5. 3 times 11 is 33. 2 times 5 is 10. Now we divide our numerator by our denominator. So 33 divided by 10. 10 goes into 33 3 times, remainder 3. The 3 is our whole number. The remainder 3 is our new numerator, and our denominator of 10 stays the same. I hope that's the same answer that you got. Problem number 2. 2 1/3 times 1 1/2. Okay, so do the same thing again. Whole number times the denominator, adding the numerator. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And our denominator stays the same. Times 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 3 over 2 equals 7 times 3, as we know, is 21. 3 times 2 is 6. So our answer as an improper fraction is 21 over 6. Okay, now we need to convert 21 over 6 into a mixed number, and we do that by dividing the numerator by the denominator. So 21 divided by 6. So 6 goes into 21 3 times with remainder of 3. Okay, so the 3 becomes our whole number. The remainder 3 becomes our new numerator, and our denominator of 6 stays the same. Now if we look at 3 and 3/6, we know that 3 is half of 6, so really, if we're going to simplify our fraction, 3 and 3/6 is the same as 3 and 1/2. And that's your answer. I hope your answers were the same as mine and you found that fairly simple. Thank you for watching.